Hello, it's Sue Grant and we're having a look at the 52-foot ocean trawler SOTERIA today. She's in Netzel Marina in Turkey, and there she is. SOTERIA, of course, is the goddess of safety and salvation, so it's a lovely name for her. And as you can see, she is gloriously green. Recent yacht, she was finished in 2017, commissioned 2018, and she was specifically built by this owner for Mediterranean cruising. So now we can get on board via the Opakmar hydraulic gangway. She has a Joker 3.5 metre rib with a 30 horsepower outboard. And then we go through the screens onto this amazing lower deck, which is covered. The screens come up if you want less shade and down for more. This works really well, and there's a lovely table. It's a great sitting area, and there's a very good interface between the main saloon and this area where you're going to spend a lot of time. And then we're just going to have a trot around these lovely wide side decks. As you can see, there's access into the wheelhouse there. These teak decks are new, 2021. Just had a look at the Lofran's windlass. She was originally fitted with Flexideck, but the owner didn't think that looked nice, so these teak decks are recent. She's got a massive flybridge for the size of the yacht, and the owner is very experienced sailing yachtsman, and this was his first motor yacht. He commissioned this yacht and had her built in Turkey of composite because he couldn't find anything he liked so well on the market. And now we're up on the flybridge. Again, large area for spending time with a bimini. Good electronics. She's running on Raymarine, Quantum Radar, Evolution Pilot, I-170 and Navionics. Lovely stainless steel arrangement for all the antenna. You've also got a bar, which we'll have a look at, with a sink and a grill, which works really well. The yacht is built to CE Category A. So now we're in the deck saloon. Nice seating area, which complements the aft deck area. And then she's got a really well-equipped galley with induction hob, oven, washer dryer, lots of refrigeration. You see the lovely burrs on that coffee table. This works really well, and she's also got a breakfast bar. And now we're back in this lovely wheelhouse, and we're going to take a step down and have a look at the guest accommodation. First of all, we'll go into the guest cabin, large double. You're not going to see it here, but this has an ensuite heads compartment with separated shower, electric loo, lots of light and air. Lovely light wood interior. And this is owner's heads. Just to the left is the shower stall. Look at the pretty basin. Very well executed. Lots of storage on this yacht, and all designed for comfortable Mediterranean cruising. Look at the port lights, the round one and the two verticals, so that light floods in when you're at anchor. I can't imagine anything nicer. And up we go from aft into this wheelhouse again. As you can see, there's an office area. You have access out of the wheelhouse on both port and starboard. So for short-handed cruising, that works really well. Nice bench seat as well for guests on board the boat. Control panel just here. And all in as new condition, beautifully maintained, very little used of late due to COVID and so on. Now we're in the engine room. She's running on a single Cummins, 305 horsepower, gives her 14 knots with an 8-knot cruise. She's got a Whisper Power Quiet 12 kilowatt generator. She's also got an Evinrude 75 horsepower spare wing engine, if you like. Big tankage. She's got Victron chargers for all the main systems. And then cleverly, she's got twin berths and heads compartment for her crew with access up onto the aft deck for them. And there we go, SOTERIA, very special trawler built for a sailing yachtsman.